Here we will see how to add a program number in assignments annex. First, we will go to the program overview and then we'll select the program. Right click the properties and this open window opens up. Write program underscore number in the title block. In the data type, keep it as string. S should be capital. You need to select from the drop down menu. In the value, put 8901. Apply and OK. Then post process. Whenever the file is opened up, the NC file, it will have a program number at the top. Let's see. See, there is 8901, the program number. You can also edit. We can put a O, capital O at the beginning because some Fanuc controls use this. Let's check that. Yeah, can you see? This is the program number.